Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What I have today is another DIY video. This one is a fabric canvas. So I'm going to show you how to redo an old canvas. What you will need is an old canvas, some fabric, a glue gun, a seam ripper, and maybe an iron. Alright, so what I did here is seam ripped an old pillowcase because I did not have fabric and used an iron to iron it down. And I'm placing it over the canvas to get a good look of how I want it to go on the canvas. So now I'm tucking it as tight as I possibly can so I can prepare to put the hot glue on it. Alright, so my hot glue gun is warmed up, and y'all, you don't have to be neat with this. It's gonna be on the back of the canvas. So mine is a little messy. You can see loose threads and everything, but hey, I'm gonna get the job done here. So I'm hot gluing as best as I can. You do not have to be perfect with this, y'all. You do not have to be perfect with this. So, hot gluing. And then again, everybody, I did not go out and buy any of this. This is stuff I had laying around the house that I was not using, and I didn't feel like spending my money on some new decorations for my room. So I said, use what I got, and that's exactly what I did. This old pillowcase is a heavier pillowcase that I was not going to use on my bed, so I used it as fabric for this canvas. And this was a really nice canvas. It was a Paris picture, but it just didn't go with the room that I'm working on right now. It didn't work. So being able to cover it up with fabric works nice for this room. And if I ever want to use the original canvas, I can just pull the fabric off and it wouldn't damage the front of the canvas, if that makes any sense. All right, so now I have this pillowcase that I'm using as fabric hot glued onto the canvas. I'm going to use a piece of felt that was left over from another craft project and a wooden letter, and hot glue that onto this fabric. Just using a little bit of hot glue. You know, you can use a hot glue. Yeah, I think hot glue works best. I wanted to use a staple gun to put the original fabric, the black fabric, on the canvas, but I couldn't find my staple gun. But the hot glue did work. Yeah. Definitely leave your comments or questions that you may have for this project in the comment section. But that's it, y'all. All I had was a little L, wooden L, some felt, a pillowcase, use this fabric, and the canvas. And I was able to make some stylish decor for my house. So if you like this video, press the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. I will be making more videos like this. And thanks for watching.